What's up? It's the Skipologist Miss Brown. Hope you guys are well and having a good week. I'm back with a new tutorial today to keep you skipping fit the fun way. As always, don't forget I'm on YouTube, Skip Squad Fitness, so please subscribe. Also I'm on Instagram at Skip Squad Fitness, so please make sure go on IG, type in Skip Squad, follow my account. You can see my skipping steps. You can DM me to come to London and do some tutorials with me or some skipping sessions. So anyway, today I'm going to teach you a skip that I like doing. It's called Starjumps. Like you guys know Starjumps from back in the days in school when you're just doing Starjumps. Now, I'm going to show how it's done with the skipping rope. Literally, looks like this. You see, so that's a normal star jump. Now this is how much easier it is with the skipping rope. So you literally have your legs in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. A good distance apart. Now, I'm going to show you with the skipping ropes. See, so that's the star jump step. What I like about this step is it's very easy to do. It doesn't put too much pressure on your joints or on your feet. It keeps you quite stabilized, and really it's a good cardio workout as well. Keep a nice slow rhythm or speed up. So that's the star jump step. Should we try it again? Alright, let's do it. So once again, without the skipping rope, it looks like this. Hey. With the skipping rope, it looks like this. Can you go it can go slower as well. So that is, guys, the star jump step. Don't forget again, follow me on Instagram, Skip Squad Fitness. Subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. And please join the movement, join the squad, Skip Squad Fitness. Skip, dance, live your best life. Boom.